What is going on, my friend? Garrett here, back with another powerful training video. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can start making up to $2,000 on total autopilot using the brand new Profits Passport system. Now, if you've been seeing my videos over the last few days or so, I've been sharing some incredible results that myself and people from all over the world, many people brand new to actually marketing online, have been able to plug into this powerful system, apply the very simple training, and get some incredible results. And I want to share that real quick before I break down the exact strategy you can use today to start seeing results. Okay, so you can see right here, Scott Darvid, okay, 10 hours ago, he said, got an email from David Dekel, okay, the creator of this actual system. Right before bed, another $300, okay? You can see right here, he had a commission come in of $300, okay, $298. If I scroll down here, okay, this system is on freaking fire. Woke up to another $500 Vertex Elite payment, okay? Sam right here woke up to $500. He made this while he was sleeping, just using the system, do everything for him. And by the way, before I continue sharing more proof and more step-by-step training on how to best get results with the system today, what I want to share with you is that if you haven't already plugged into the system, or if you're looking for a mentor, someone to share what's actually working, be sure to go down below in the description underneath this video, click that first link and start to set up your account inside this system, because you really want to follow what I'm going to share with you so you can get the best results as fast as possible. Okay. This person right here, okay, using the system, and he left a comment, okay, this person made $200 sale. This person, okay, $2,000. Okay, so, this guy right here, Frazier, okay, $2,000, right? So people are seeing incredible results. Now, how exactly does it work? Well, again, once you go to the link below, you're going to get taken eventually to this page, okay? Now, if you haven't watched this hour-long webinar, I highly recommend you do that, because David's going to really break down how this system works to get the best results as possible. But what you want to understand is it's incredibly easy to actually do this. See, all we have to do is set up these different income streams, okay, that will pay you anywhere from $25 even all the way up to $16,500. And if you don't know how to do it, it's very simple. You just hit sign up, create an account, okay, and you get taken to the page to actually create an account inside these different income streams. Now, this is taking a second to load, but basically what you would do is go through each one and create an account. And once you do, you're going to get an affiliate ID. And you simply put it here and hit save. Now that way, when people start going through your own funnel that you get access to for free at the link below, you're going to be able to start earning when people go through the process and sign up as well. Now, what I want to share with you is that this system, like many systems online, is pay to play. So what does that actually mean? That means that you need to actually invest into the different income streams and position yourself as high as possible. We earn inside of these different income streams at the level we come in at and below. Okay, so realize if you've maybe blown money in the past, this is not just like another system out there. Okay, I've never before seen a system where people have been able to invest, apply the proven duplicatable formula, and see results this fast. Okay, so you want to realize that. Now, the very first income stream, and I want to address this. A lot of people were asking me, Garrett, what if I only have like $3,000 set aside to invest into a business? What if I only, can invest $1,000? I have a credit card, it has a limit. I'm going to invest this. Which income stream is best to invest in? Well, I would personally recommend, if funds are limited, you invest the most into this very first income stream. Now, this income stream is called Easy One-Up. Okay, now I've created videos in the past. You can go to my channel, look up, what the products are, but there's different levels, and each level has different training. And again, you earn at the level you're at and below. So if you come in, let's say you stretch yourself, you come in at the $2,000 level, which is one of the most popular levels, you would get this level unlocked as well as all the other levels. So if someone just invested $1,000 into your funnel, you would get that $1,000 because you got started at the highest level you could. Okay, but if you can only afford, $250 right now, get started at the $250 because you can still earn for a while and then reinvest money into these other income streams. Now, once you create these income streams, how do you start making money? Well, I want to break this down very simply for you, okay? At the link below, when you create your account, you're going to get taken to, again, this page. Now, once you sign up all these different income streams, you have your affiliate link right here, okay? This is your actual coded to you affiliate link. Now, if I open this link, it's going to take me to this page, okay? And what you want to realize is you want to send people to this page, okay? Because once they put their email in, David, the creator of this system, will start following up through emails for you, okay? And it's all coded to you. So if you just send as many people as possible to this page, a good portion are going to put their best email in, and then David's going to start following up for you. And when they make a decision and join, when they invest, you are going to get paid and you are going to be able to see results just like all these people, okay? Now, again, what I want to share with you right now is how can you start getting people to this affiliate link? Because you may be thinking, Garrett, this makes sense. I understand this. I see people getting results. How do you get traffic as fast as possible? Well, what I recommend, if you have a little bit of extra money, maybe you don't have a lot of time, but you have a little bit of extra money, I would invest into something called a solo ad. Now, what a solo ad is basically we can find people online that have large lists of email addresses. And what you can pay them to do is for a small fee, email all of those people your link, the link to whatever you want to promote. And I highly recommend you send that email to this link, your customized link, okay? Now, how do we find solo ads? Well, one of the income streams is actually right here, Udemy. Okay, now Udemy is one of the top providers for solo ad vendors, people that sell solo ads. So if I go to Udemy, okay, and you can see 37, right? So 37 vendors have given me a thumbs up. So I don't just, I'm not just teaching this. I actually practice what I preach and I use solo ads. In fact, I just bought one today. Now, once you go to Udemy, you just go to find sellers, okay? Now, what you're gonna get taken to is a long list to find people to buy solo ads from. And what I recommend you do is you sort by sales, okay? And what this is gonna do is you see right here, okay, this person is basically saying that they have 47% of the people that bought from them getting sales. 47%, meaning almost half the people who buy from this guy are actually making money, which is absolutely incredible, okay? So I would open up this guy's profile, okay? And what you want to do is you want to follow what David actually breaks down, the traffic checklist, okay? So you want to look, seller that has at least 3 sales. So I would go down and I would see, okay, does this person have a sale, right? Sales, okay? I got a sale. That's 2 sales, okay? So this guy has reported more than 3 sales, which is the first thing, okay? Minimum 70 to 80% USA, Canada, UK, Australia. Basically top tier traffic. You want to buy traffic from people that are in countries with money, okay? Because this is a program where people need to invest. So you want to look here. Okay, it says right here, 95% top tier traffic. So this guy qualifies. And then you want to look at no bad reviews, okay? And you can basically see, if you go down, you don't want to see anybody saying like they've gotten bad reviews or a bad run, which I don't see, okay? And then all you would do is you would simply go here, pick one of these, okay? Post it in here as the subject, and then just copy and paste the email body, okay, right here, which I've already done. And then you just highlight, okay, you'd go here, and you would just put your link, okay, the link that you're gonna get access to at the link below in the description. You'd put this link here. And then all you would do, okay, is choose how many visitors, how many people do you want to send. Okay, now, as you can see right here, it's going to dictate, okay, how much you actually spend. So let's say you only have $100 to invest in traffic right now, you would just go to, you could do 200 visitors, okay, for $97, and then you just hit add to cart. And you can pay through PayPal, you can pay with a credit card, and instantly within, a few hours, you'll get approved oftentimes, and you will get traffic within 24 to 48 hours to your funnel, okay? And this is what many of these people are actually doing. Now, yes, you can post on Facebook, you can post on YouTube, Instagram, you can post anywhere, but solo ads is a really good way to start getting traffic. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you got value and this made sense and you want me to make more, click the like button below to let me know. Also be sure to subscribe because I'm going to be posting updates on this system, how to best get results with it, as well as how to make money online. And last but not least, if you have not created an account through me, because I'm going to be able to share with you some powerful information when you get started on what's working right now, go to the link below and get started. And if you have created an account and you're watching this, be sure to upgrade. You want to invest. It takes money to make money, and you've seen the results, okay? It's not going to take long when you apply the proven system to start generating income, okay? $25, $197, okay? Even me, $197, right, that day. So, this is incredible, right? So thanks so much for watching. Take action, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.